Hey besties! How are you all? I miss you. Like, it's been a month already that I haven't chika with you guys. But yeah, here we are right now filming because we are packing for an international trip. Opo, another travel vlog internationally. I'm so excited. Like, finally, meron na naman tayong travel vlog. So, may challenge ako sa inyo guys. Guess kung saan kami pupunta. Comment down below. Siguro a token of gratitude kasi you guys have been supporting me from our first ever travel vlog nung nag-Taiwan tayo last January. So, yeah, I guess it's time naman na to give back to you my besties kasi wala lang. I'm just so happy. Comment down below your Instagram account and then your answer kung saan tayo pupunta. Comment down below. Comment down below. Okay? And then, I will be the one, personally, I will be the one who will DM you. So guys, follow nyo din ako sa Instagram ko. Baka gusto niyo magpasabay sa lugar na pupuntahan namin. So, in case na gusto niyo magpasabay, then you can just watch or view my IG story. Nandun lang yun lahat. And then you can just PM me if ever meron kayong mga nagustuhan or anything na gusto niyo ipasabay sa akin. Then, ano to siya? Ship nationwide here in the Philippines. Pero of course, sa inyong mga buyer, you will shoulder the shipping fee. Okay lang ba? Siguro sa JNT, no? Kasi mas mabilis yung, for me personally, JNT is mabilis talaga yung transaction nila. And mabilis silang magpa-ship ng package. So, ayun lang. Yun lang. Comment down below, guys, kung saan kami pupunta. And, yes, of course, meron tayong prize dyan. Baka manalo kayo ng 500 Gcash! Guys, sorry guys if medyo maliit muna yung pag-giveaways. Wow! Pag-giveaways. Mini giveaways. Wala lang. A token of gratitude for you guys because you've been so supportive as in like, ang ganda ng feedback niyo sa akin. And siguro, some of you, meron ding feedback na, maingay ako sa train. Uy, hindi ako maingay sa train. Uy, siguro, maingay lang pakinggan because I have a microphone. Pero, sige na, baka maingay talaga, no? Pero, no. Hindi ako, as in, grabe kaingay. Promise. And then, lagi daw akong tumatawa. Pero, excited naman ako nun, uy. Anyway, I appreciate naman all your feedbacks because siguro meron din akong mga room for improvement when it comes to travel vlogging. But anyway, so yan guys, comment down below if you have any idea kung saan kami pupunta. And I'm so happy because yung check-in luggage namin is 30 kilos na kasama. Diba amazing bells? 30 kilos siya. And I'm so proud of myself because I'm planning to pack like 4 set of outfit lang. As in, very minimal lang yung dadalhin ko kasi dun ako bibili. Kasi medyo mas cheaper doon kung doon kayo bibili compared dito. As in, sobrang cheaper lang siya if doon tayo bibili ng mga OOTD. So, meron akong validation for that. Hahanap ako ng mga less than 200 lang na OOTD. Pero additional lang yun Basta, yun na yun. But anyway, okay, proceed na tayo guys. Technique ko pala sa inyo, or hack, if you are traveling, bumili pala kayo guys ng mga ganito. I forgot the name. Yung mga lagayan ng mga dress or outfits nyo, pwede nyo dito ilagay compartments yan para medyo maganda tingnan yung luggage nyo. Magandang tingnan? Hindi. What I mean is, aside sa magandang tingnan, yung very well organized yung luggage ninyo. So, I have here. So, ito yung first. Actually, set ko siyang nabili. Ito. So, pwede ko to siyang lagyan ng mga outfits ko or clothes dito para organized siya sa luggage. Then, this one naman, I have also here. Pwede siyang lagyan ng shoes. Yan. Pwede ito, shoes. Or, siguro, yung mga undergarments. Pwede ito. And then, another one. So, Shopee ko pala nabili to, guys. So, if ever you want to purchase, ayan, just click on the link below. Then, ito, another one. Travel essentials or travel bags. Para pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng neck and neck. Ayan. So, eto, pwede nyo siyang lagyan siguro ng, toiletries, ganyan. Pwede ito. And, of course, eto, another one for shoes, para malinis bitaw. So, hindi siya makalat tingnan sa luggage nyo. Diba? Bongga bells. And also, eto, another one. Pwede ito sa shoes nyo din. Or, siguro, shoes, I guess, shoes, or yung mga used clothes siguro, pwede ito. By the way, guys, if ever magdala kayo ng power bank, don't put it in a check-in luggage. Yung power bank nyo is, wag nyo ilagay sa check-in luggage ninyo, kasi bawal siya. So, take note nyo yun, guys. If ever may check-in luggage kayo, so never ever put your power bank kasi bawal yan. So, I have here 2 power banks. So, ito. Ilagay natin to sa ating hand carry luggage. So, I have here 2 power bank for phone at saka power bank din for my camera. So, sa rack space ko pala to nabili, guys. Yan. Meron din silang Shopee. Ayan, 10,000 milliampere. Tapos, very handy siya. As in, very, very handy. So, pwede din to siya for magnet safe, guys. MagSafe, magnet safe, MagSafe, yan. Pwede siya. Compatible to. So, I have here 2. I have also this one. Ito yung nilalagyan ko ng mga medicines, ganyan. Of course, bawal tayong pupunta sa isang lugar na walang medicine kasi wala. We don't know what will happen. Knock on wood. In case lang of emergency, if ever. Ako kasi medyo prone ako for hyperacidity. As in, ngayon nga, parang napapansin ko medyo, nagkaka-acid reflux. I don't know why. Maybe because of the coffee, no? Kaya, I bring talaga Cremel S. Ito, Cremel S. So, meron to sa Watsons, guys. You can just buy sets. So, ito, Cremel S to. So, I guess mga 4 tablets to. Yan. So, meron din akong dala BioFlu in case na yung magkakasakit or magkaka-flu. Literally, kung magkaka-flu tayo. So, in case, meron tayo dito. Kasi yung pupuntahan natin, guys, is medyo mainit. And then, clue to yun, ha? Clue to. Another clue. First clue pala. So, medyo mainit siya. And probably this next month will be, no, actually, next week na tayo pupunta doon. So, that would be June already. So, next week is June na. So, for the month of June is medyo maulan dun. So, either mainit at saka maulan. Yun. So, clue na kayo, ha? May clue na kayo. So, ayan. So, BioFlu is the key. So, Watsons ko din to nabili. So, meron silang mga ganito. Parang travel kit na medicines. I have also here Newsep. Yan. Newsep Forte. In case lang kung, sisiponin tayo. And then, of course, as a tita, meron din tayong salon pass. Salon pass is the key. Kasi, in case na medyo magkakasakit tayo kasi mag-shopping tayo dun. Wow, feeler! So, meron tayong salon pass in case lang medyo masakit na yung katawan natin or even sa, dito ba? Dito. sa mga batang, no, not bagtak, bugits. Yan, pwede ba? Pwede ba to sa bagtak? Or dito lang. Basta anywhere in my body, pwede to. For me, pwede to. And then, magdala din tayo ng, meron akong Tiger Balm. Nabili ko sa Taiwan. Yan, meron akong Tiger Balm. So, pwede ko to siyang dalhin. Maybe, bibili din pala ako, guys, yung tablet bitaw for motion sickness. Kasi, recently, sa Taiwan namin is, nakaranas talaga ako ng paghihilo. Doon ko na-realize na, meron talaga akong parang, prone talaga ako for motion sickness. Although, nung first international travel ko din is, ganun din yung naranasan ko. Pero, mas lumala lang nung nag-Taiwan kami. Yung pabalik na kami dito sa Cebu. So, ayun. So, bibili ako ng ano ba tawag dun? I don't know, I forgot. the name of it, pero bibili ako niyan for sure. And then magdala din ako siguro chewing gum or any cool menthol na candy kasi as in gamit na gamit siya for travel, especially for me na prone sa motion sickness. Okay, so proceed tayo guys for first. By the way, ibubudol ulit ko kayo. So eto, may nabili ako na very maganda na na tripod. So this one is nakita ko to sa friend ko. Hi boo, if you're watching. So nakita ko to sa friend ko. Sa kanya ako nabudol kasi nung nag-outing kami, nakita ko yung tripod niya. Pero I've been eyeing na that tripod. Pero kasi parang hindi pa ako totally convinced. So, nung finally nakita ko siya personally, so doon ako, okay, boom, gamit na gamit talaga siya. Especially kasi super ganda ng quality niya. Pero lang talaga, medyo bulky and medyo mabigat talaga siya. Like this one. So, this is the Olzani Tripod MT. Olzani MT44 na tripod. So, gamit na gamit to siya, guys. Kasi, let's be independent when taking picture as a traveler. Wow! Kasi kung hindi na talaga kaya ng ating powers. Pero, as much as possible, so let's be independent on taking pictures. So, ayan, ready tayo. So, meron tayong tripod. So, medyo, siya, bulky talaga siya, guys. As in, like, ganito siya kahaba. O, diba? Ganito siya kahaba. For reference. Tapos, medyo mabigat talaga siya. But what I love about this one is very sturdy talaga siya, guys. Once na ilapag mo na siya sa floor. As in, yan. And what I love about this one also is very mahaba to, guys. As in. Tingnan nyo yung quality niya, guys. Oh, as in. Diba? Merong black, pero out of stock. As in, mabilis talaga siya magka-out of stock. So, ayan. Pinili ko na lang yung white. Cause, also, love ko din naman yung white. Pero, when traveling kasi, white tripod is, for me, not so ideal. Siguro kasi, for sure, mabilis siyang madudumihan. Of course, because you're traveling, diba? From time to time. So, yan. Mahaba pa to, guys. As in, sobrang haba. Siguro, mga to, same height sa akin. Yan. As in, sobrang haba nito, guys. So, perfect ito if you are taking a picture with the background over there, ganyan, diba? Bongga bell. So, pwede din to for selfie. Ayan, pwede nyo to ilagyan ng phone nyo or your camera. Itong ganito, pwede din yung ganito. Diba? Bongga bells. Super worth it nito. Before is medyo in doubt ako kasi, namamahalan talaga ako nito. As in, I swear. Like, bili ko to siya 700, pero yung original price niya is nasa 1,040. Basta less than 1,100 yun. Then, nakaless ako, so mga 700 ko na lang to nabili. And, yun. For me, splurging on a tripod na ganun kamahal is, ganun yung price is, for me, medyo mahal na siya for me. So, ayun, hindi ako bumili. Hindi ako nagpabudol doon. So, bumili ako ng medyo mas cheaper na tripod. Pero, guys, siguro mga more than 3 ako ka-tripod na nabili ko. Pero, wala talaga akong nagustuhan. Like, yung first tripod na binili ko, once ko lang nagamit. Yung second naman, siguro once or twice. Then, for third is, yun din, same situation. So, kala ko naka-less ako. Pero, when you sum up all those tripod, wala. Mas mahal yun na nagastos ko compare if dito na lang ako bumili. Di ba? Gaga. Minsan may pag-gaga, no? Minsan yung pagtitipid is not applicable in all situations. So, yan. So, better yet, punta na lang kayo or bili na lang kayo sa medyo mas pricey pero you are sure naman of the quality. Pero, it's a case-to-case basis. So, this one is super worth it nito kasi medyo pricey for a price of a tripod. Yan. But it is super worth it, guys. Kaya magpabudol na kayo. Click the link on the description box below in case you want to purchase. Actually, may nabudol na ako. Yung friend ko din. Ayan. So, yan. Our new best friend when traveling. The next is eto. Before we will pack our clothes, kasi madali lang to actually. Madali lang ako mag-pack for now kasi yun nga, mga 4 sets lang talaga yung outfit na dadalhin ko. outfit talaga. Yes, because Instagram is life. Ayan. So, next is this one. Sorry guys if right now yung mga pinakita ko sa inyo is yung mga items muna. Okay, so this one is a weighing scale siya. Ayan. For luggage. Ayan. We will bring this one now from time to time on our travel kasi para you are sure na talaga na hindi kayo lagpas dun sa inallocate lang na kilos for your check-in baggage or for your hand carry kasi for our case is meron kami 30 kilos na check-in baggage and then for our hand carry is 7 kilos. So this one is very useful for us. Especially if nandun ka na sa country na pupuntahan nyo and then you are not sure if lagpas ka na ba sa allocated na kilos for your check-in luggage. So this one is perfect. So meron tong kasamang battery na. So the seller gave us extra battery for this one. So ayan, just turn it on. Ayan. And then this one, dito nyo lang ilagay yung luggage nyo. Like for this one, okay, eto. Meron takong luggage dito. Okay, sample guys. Ayan. Example, this one is our hand carry. So, try natin if lagpas ba tayo sa 7 kilos. For sure, of course, wala pa to kasi wala pa tong laman. For ano lang, demonstration purposes. So, ayan, ganyan nyo lang siya gawin. Iangat nyo lang ng konti. Tapos, makikita nyo na kung magkano or kung gaano ka bigat yung luggage ninyo. Ayan. So, for this one is 0.07 kilos. Kita mo kung ano. I don't know if you guys could see it. Nakikita niyo ba? Ayan. I don't know if nakita niyo ba. Pero ayan. Yan yung ano natin, weighing scale for our luggage. Very handy and definitely ito is very useful for us for our future travels. The turn off nyo lang is click this one. Ayan, so turn off na. Ayan. So, again, I'll put the link on the description box below in case you guys will check this one. So, meron na tayong another item na super useful for our travel. Kasi, for sure, need natin yan kasi diba, magpasabay tayo tapos yung pupuntahan natin guys is for sure mabubudol tayo ng bonggang-bongga doon kasi mura lang talaga doon at saka yung mga bilihin doon is nakakabudol din at the same time pero let's limit ourselves naman. Okay, let's pack our things na guys. Uy, sobraan na kay ko ka-chika. So, may idea na kayo kung saan kami pupunta? By the way, besties, I'm planning pala to put all my clothes and everything sa aking check-in luggage para yung hand carry ko is minimal lang, as in very minimal. Although, all in all is minimal lang talaga yung dadalhin ko. Pero mga less than 7 kilos, for sure yung all in all na dadalhin ko going to that country. Pero for sure, pagbalik natin is ma-allocate natin yung 30 kilos na check-in luggage at saka 7 kilos na hand carry luggage. Yan. For sure yan. For sure. So, manifest natin na maraming magpasabay din. Sure! So, follow niyo ako guys at DShelC on Instagram. So, eto. By the way, proceed tayo for first siguro is let us pack first for our toiletries. Kasi I'm planning to bring lang 1 shoes tapos siguro 1 comfy na sandals, yun lang. As in, yun lang talaga. As much as possible sana is hindi na nga ako magdala ng comfy sandals, no? Kasi, maraming lakad dun. So, baka yung magamit ko lang talaga is yung shoes ko. Closed shoes or yung rubber shoes ko talaga. So, we will see. So, yun yung plan ko na dadalhin. By the way, besties, if in case meron kayong ganito, yung bottles niyo is mga more than 100 ml. More than 100 ml is hindi pwede for hand carry. So, let's say this one. By the way, ito is very useful sa akin, especially sa pupuntahan natin kasi it's a collagen face and body mist. So, pwede to sa face, pwede din to sa body, as in ito talaga yung sinispray ko sa aking body because it has collagen. Maganda to guys, as in maganda to. So this one is from Fresh Skin Lab. Ito is 150 ml. So meron din pala tong with UV protection kasi medyo mainit talaga dun guys sa pupuntahan natin. Yun if hindi uulan ha. So ito 150 ml siya. So based on my research is mga nasa 100 ml pababa lang yung pwede for hand carry ng mga bottles. So, eto, 150 ml siya. So, this one is not allowed in the hand carry. So, if in case dadalhin nyo to, so, ilagay nyo na lang to sa check-in luggage ninyo. What if, let's say, 150 ml to, pero yung laman nito is mga ganito na lang, or ganyan. Hindi na aabot sa 150 ml yung laman. Will that be in the hand carry or in your check-in luggage? So, the answer of that is, ilagay nyo pa rin to sa check-in luggage ninyo because it is not allowed in your hand carry. Even if yung laman niya is nasa 50 ml lang, pero yung bottle is nasa 150 ml, even if yung laman niya is mga nasa 50 ml lang, so that is still not allowed. So, ilagay nyo na lang to sa check-in luggage ninyo. Same for this one. Medyo maliit na lang nga siya guys. So, siguro mag-refill na lang ako for this one. Bibili na lang ako ulit. Pero we will see. Baka ito or ito lang talaga yung dadalhin ko. Para hindi siya mabigat, no? So, ayan. So, ilagay ko pa rin to sa aking check-in luggage because yung bottle niya mismo is 150 ml. So, I have here lotion. And then tayong deodorant spray. So, for toiletries to. Ayan. And of course, meron tayong hand cream because I super love hand cream. Then this one is a natural sunflower premium beauty oil. Ayan. Daily essentials ko talaga to guys. As in, I super love sunflower oil. Lagay ko to siya sa aking buong katawan and I super love the result. So, helps lighten dark spots and pimple marks. Helps hydrate dry patches on face, remove stubborn makeup, add shine to dull hair. So, pwede din to sa hair nyo guys. It moisturizes, it lightens, and soothes your skin. So, yan. Ito, daily essential ko to. So, I should bring this one. So, 50 ml to. So, ito, pwede to sa hand carry lang. Kasi 50 ml lang to. Pero, ilagay ko na lang to all or ang lahat na to sa aking check-in luggage. And of course, I will also be bringing this one, moisturizing sunscreen. Kasi if hindi yun uulan, for sure, mainit talaga dun. So, this one is very useful for us kasi meron tong 130 na SPF for our body, for more protection sa ating katawan. Although, meron naman tong SPF yung lotion ko, pero I need more protection from the sun kasi sobrang init doon. So, ayan. Meron tayong another sunscreen lang. 130 SPF na sunscreen. So, nabili ko lang to sa Watsons. Also, I will be bringing eto, baby bath na lactocides. Para tong body wash ko. And then, of course, BH Care. Para fresh tayo lagi. And then, meron din ako mouthwash. Yan, mouthwash. Paubos na actually. So, meron din tayong toothpaste and toothbrush. Yan. So, I'll be bringing all of those. So, I guess yun lang sa aking toiletries. And meron din pala ako nito, guys. Cotton buds. So, I guess yan lang yung aking toiletries. So, ilagay ko siya in one bag. Eto. Dito ko nilagay lahat. Ito lang yung lalagyan ko sa aking toiletries para kung nasa comfort room na tayo or yung maliligo na tayo. So, eto lang yung dadalhin ko sa CR. Although, ilalatag ko naman to lahat doon sa CR. For sure yan. Na tayong for toiletries. Ayan. Diba guys, ang organized niya, no? Ayan. Nakalatag lang siya lahat dyan. And then, for my makeup is ito. Ito yung nilalagyan ko. This one. So, I got this from Maybelline. It's a freebie from Watsons. Ayan, meron din pala akong Vicks. So, I'll be bringing this one also. Dito ko lang ilagay lahat ng aking mga makeups. So, dito. Para siya guys, organized din ba? Ayan. Pinatang toiletries and for makeups. Ayan. And of course, I will be bringing my shades. This one is from Bonito. Bonito ba? Tama? I super love this one, guys. Meron na siyang lagayan. Yan. I think bonito yung name ng shop, so I'll be putting lang sa link on the description box below in case you want to purchase. Meron to sa Shopee. Sa Shopee ko siya nabili. So, yan. That's it for our toiletries and all. And now, very minimal lang talaga yung dadalhin ko, guys, as in. Ay, by the way, guys, meron pala akong budol sa inyo. Eto. This one is lalagyan ng mga drinks, especially if nasa airport ka, as in sobrang gamit na gamit ito, guys. Pero yun nga lang, hindi siya kasya sa aking hand carry. Kasi yung ano ko, yung handle ng hand carry ko, wait ha, ayan. Yung handle kasi ng hand carry ko is medyo malapad. So, hindi siya kasya. Ayan. It won't fit. Yan, malaki kasi yung ganito niya, yung handlebar niya. So, gagamitin ko to siya sa aking check-in na baggage. To guys, tingnan nyo gaano siya ka-handy. By the way guys, sa lahat pala nagtanong kung anong luggage ng aking check-in bag is sa ano ko, Compass pala yung brand ng bag ko. So, nabili ko siya sa SM. Nalagyan siya ng drinks. So, if nasa airport ka, super useful nito, as in. Ayan. Ayan. Diba, guys? Yan, ganyan siya. Ayan. So, you'll just put your coffee here, yan, or water, whatsoever yan. Meron din siyang parang lagayan dito sa likuran niya. So, pwede yung mga papers ba ron, yan. So, very useful siya. Especially if nasa country ka na napupuntahan nyo, tapos you want some drinks, diba? Then, very hectic naman upon arrival. So, yan. For the meantime, you can just put your drinks here, yan, while walking sa airport. Diba? Very useful siya. Sa Shopee ko din to nabili. So, I'll just put all the links in the description box below. Now, let's pack naman our clothes. Sa mga dadalhin ko is very, lightweight lang yung mga clothes ko na dinadala ko, or dadalhin namin, or dadalhin ko. Very lightweight lang talaga siya. Actually, hindi ko pa siya na-unpack. So, sabay-sabay natin siyang i-unpack here. So, nabili ko to siya sa Shopee. So, I forgot the name. Siguro if you are interested na lang of all the clothes na binili ko din doon sa shop na yun. So, just check na lang sa aking description box below and I will link all the links as much as I could. Actually, I forgot na talaga guys kung ano yung binili ko or what kind of design yung mga binili ko. Very lightweight lang talaga siya guys. Mostly dito is naka-plain lang talaga siya. Kasi mas bet ko talaga yung mga plain clothes. Oh my goodness, what's this? Ano to? Wait. Para siyang... Diba? Ano to? Uy! Okay, para siyang ano... Oh my goodness, I forgot. What's this? So, para siyang ganyan na... Oh my goodness, uy. So backless siya. Tapos, parang ganito yung forma niya. Okay, I'll try to figure out this one. I'll just put siguro pictures over here, no? Kung ano yung forma niya if once susuotin niyo siya. Pero, ang ganda ng cloth niya. Kapal siya. Medyo makapal siya. And I love the color. I'll just put the link, guys, if in case gusto niyo. So, yan yung upper siya. Then, this one naman is... Okay, this one is a dress. Yan. White dress. I'll not fit na lang guys sa kay, parang this is not naman a getting ready with me na video. Yan. So, it's a white dress, plain white dress. And this one naman is a dress also. Ay, bongga! Oh! They look like a red velvet cake. Wow, this one is nice. Medyo may paslit siya dito ng konti. Bongga bells. Wow, perfect. I think alam ko na kung saan ko to siya magagamit. Siguro, we'll see. Actually guys, as early as now, since next week pa naman yung flight natin, once sa panon nito guys, nakalagpas na ako ng immigration kasi yung plan ko is I will public this video on once nakalagpas na kami ng immigration para may update na talaga ako finally sa ating channel. Yan yung plan ko. Puhon. So, once naka-view na kayo nito, and same time nung nag-upload ako, so yan, nasa airport ako and nakalagpas na kami ng immigration. So, this one naman is actually set siya. Ayan. Terno siya. Ayan. Ito yung upper niya. Medyo sexy, no? Backless na backless. Ayan. So, this one is a terno. Last but not the least, wow! Parang gusto ko to. Ooh, this is nice also. It's plain din siya na dress. Yan. Very nice. Ooh, okay. Parang ano talaga. Parang alam ko na kung saang day ko siya isusuot. Kasi guys, very exciting yung pupuntahan natin. Wala, basta I'm so excited for our next travel vlog. Support pa rin ako guys, oh. So, based on our clothes na pinakita ko sa inyo, do you have any idea na kung saan tayo pupunta? So, yan, comment down below for a chance to win a GCash na 500. So, again guys, sorry if medyo mini pa-giveaway lang na to. Actually, naisipan ko na siya randomly na, okay, I think it's time na for me to give back naman sa aking viewers or for you besties na nanood talaga sa akin na from Taiwan vlog until now. Parang overwhelming siya. Like, I didn't expect na you guys will be supporting me on that one. Mas nabuo yung, no, not nabuo, pero mas nalawak ng ating family. Mas lumaki. Yun yung term. Mas medyo lumaki na yung natin family because right now is, nasa, although this one is not so, other would say it's maliit, pero for me, is sobrang laki na siya guys. I didn't know na I could reach for this one. Nasa 260 subscribers na tayo guys. Yes, I know maliit siya pero it's so overwhelming for me. Like, nakakakilig like because wala. I didn't really personally post this on my personal account sa Facebook kasi gusto ko yung medyo private siya. At the same, not naman literally private pero siya, hindi na, siguro nasa point na ako na I didn't want like my friends on Facebook nga you guys should follow me or you should, yung hindi ko na pinilit yung mga tao na, or yung mga kilala ko na you should subscribe me. Yung parang I just let my target market na how do I say about this one, like siguro hindi ko na pinilit yung mga kilala ko na you guys should view my vlog because I've been traveling to this place and chuba. Pero hindi na ako na-discourage ba if like, for example, yun yung term, hindi na ako na-discourage if ever my friends or my kakilala is hindi nag-view sa aking vlog because I know is each one of us is, we are so busy with our each kind of life and siguro, di nyo priority manood sa akin because hindi tayo aligned bitaw, parang you are not traveling to this country and so for sure hindi kayo naki-curious for this one or like how will I say about this one, like siguro we are not aligned lang, no, and my target market talaga is not you but to people na searching for any ideas or DIY for that certain place. So yun so siguro hindi na ako ma-discourage kasi because you are not, ako, kung ibasaya pa na ako kay, siguro, ibasaya naman siguro na ako di rin ako discouraged because I know kanang, you are not searching for this topic or video because dili bitaw ka mo ato ng a certain nga lugar, so there's no purpose to why you will be watching to my videos. I don't know, ikalubat to na akong phone. Hey besties, so yan, nalubat yung camera ko and while charging yung camera is kumain ako and yeah, I'm done with my dinner and yeah, let's continue. So yun, yung sabi ko is, diba, I'm so grateful because of you my besties na for others, it may sound a little subscribers or not that bongga talaga, no? Of course, because I'm still starting, but I'm so grateful for 260 subscribers right now. Yay! Like, imagine there are 260 people who doesn't know me personally, like as in zero knowledge about me, and like you guys subscribe to my channel because maybe because nagandahan kayo sa aking travel vlog, first travel vlog, although first travel vlog mo naman yun, pero ang ganda lang kasi as the days pass by, kasi parang meron talagang days na like madagdagan niya yung subscribers, which in that way I'm so grateful. Kaya ayun, napag-isipan ko na token of my gratitude with you for staying with me. Now we are trying to venture out another travel vlog or second travel vlog. So ayan, as a token of my gratitude for you, my besties, is yan, meron tayong 500 Gcash or mini giveaway. So, comment down below lang yung username nyo, tapos guess kung saan kami pupunta. Like, for example, at DChelsie, then the name of the country, kung ano yung hula nyo, kung saan kami pupunta. Ganyan lang. It's as simple as that. Then, kaya gusto kong ilagay nyo yung username nyo para ako mismo, personally, yung DM sa inyo. So, make sure lang siguro naka-public or hindi naka-private yung Instagram nyo para maka-message ako directly sa inyo talaga. Kasi if naka-private, I believe I can't message you eh. So, yan. Also, siguro before June 10, yan, or let's say June 8 na lang, yan, June 8 or June 7, so, ayan, or basta before June 10, siguro, I will post kung sino yung nanalo sa ating mini giveaways, yan. Yay! So, medyo maliit lang talaga, guys. 500 Gcash. So, ayan. Join kayo, ha? I-share ko din sa aking Instagram story. So, abang-abang kayo, guys. So, paki-follow niyo na rin ako, eh. Sa aking Instagram. Follow me also, guys, sa aking Instagram at DChelsie. So, ayan. Abang-abang kayo kung sino yung manalo dito sa ating mini giveaways. So, before that, now, let's proceed. Yun pala, I forgot to mention, di ba, nag-stop tayo dun sa, na parang hindi na ako na-disappoint kahit sa mga kilala ko o yung mga close friends ko, ganun, na kahit hindi sila manood sa akin is okay lang. Kasi dati, parang ang bilis kong ma-disappoint, pero right now, parang hindi ko na ba pinipilit kung ang kakilala ko ba personally is manood ba sa aking videos or hindi, yung ganun ba, yung hindi ko na pinipilit, like kung yung target market ko din kasi talaga is yun yung mga taong mahilig din mag-travel and yung mahilig mag-DIY, ayan, as much as possible talaga yung goal ko na maka-help sa mga taong gustong mag-DIY for that certain place. Or siguro, disclaimer lang din, no, siguro some of the place talaga is hindi kaya yung DIY kasi parang like hindi talaga siya kaya because of the transportation. So siguro from time to time meron din yung mga private tour tayong ma-avail for that certain na activities, yan, pero not all naman. So make sure lang natin na not all of our travel is naka-private tour tayo. So kung as much as possible, kung kaya natin mag-DIY, let's stick to DIY because yun yung niche natin for this channel. So, laban natin. Kaya. Kasi, ang ganda talaga mag-DIY, guys. DIY, guys, as in, aside sa mas makatipid kayo, is, parang itong nakapunta ka sa local vibe for that certain area, especially if, first time mo pumunta doon sa country na yun, as in, ibang-iba talaga yung feeling. Tapos, yung countryside, makikita mo nga, ganun pala sila, no? Which is not normal to us pala, ganun. So, yan, that's also the reason why we really love DIY. And then, yan, as much as possible, lahat gagawin namin para makaprovide kami ng good content para makapag-DIY tayo. So, yan. So, right now, tapos na pala ako mag-impake, guys. So, yan, eto. So, ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, di ba? Nalalagyan ko siya sa aking mga clothes, ganyan. So, ito siya. Ganyan. Super minimal lang yung dadalhin namin kasi baka doon na lang ako bibili if may magustuhan. Kasi mura din talaga doon. I guess 5 na sets ng OOTD. Yan, meron tayo. Ayan, so ito is mga ano lang, clothes ko. So, ito. Meron din dito. Ayan. Very ano siya guys. Super love this one kasi ang organized talaga niya tingnan sa luggage mo. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung itsura niya if nakalagay na siya sa bag. Ayan siya. So, ito yung forma niya. Ito yung mga clothes ko. So, once nakabalot na siya or nakalagay na siya sa aking travel bag, so, ayan na siya. Yan na yung forma ng aking luggage. Ayan. So, very, ano siya, organized tingnan. And then, ito pala is my medicine. So, I'm planning to put it this one siguro. Ayan. Para mas mabilis natin siyang makita. So, in this pouch is purely mga medicine ko lang to in case I need one. Ayan. So, lagay lang natin siya dyan. So, sa part pala dito, guys, is wala tong laman. Ayan. Wala tong laman. Ayan. Kasi, I'm planning to bring lang super minimal na gamit. Like, literally, ito lang talaga yung clothes ko. Ayan. Tapos, very lightweight pa siya. And then, I'm planning to put this one sa hand carry na lang to na luggage. Ayan. So, this one is our toiletries. Ayan. Yan yung dinagay ko kanina. So, dito na lang natin siya ilagay. Ayan. So, di ba guys, ang linis lang niya talaga siya tingnan. And this one is my makeup. So, sa check-in luggage ko na lang to ilagay para in case I need one or in case na mag-retouch tayo. So, mabilis ko lang siyang makikita or mabilis ko lang siyang makuha kasi ito is for check-in. I think ito lang talaga for hand carry. I mean, for check-in. Yan. Diba? Yan lang. I guess we're good na for this one for check-in luggage. So, now let's proceed for my hand carry. So, close na natin to. By the way, guys, nakabili pala ako ng sticker nung nag-Taiwan tayo. Ayan siya. So, linagay ko lang siya dyan. So, ayan guys. Tapos na tayo for our check-in. So, let's try to weigh if gaano siya kabigat yung ating check-in luggage. So, ayan. Try natin. By the way, guys, maximum weight niya is nasa 50 kilos. Yung kaya niyang timbangin is around 50 kilos. Okay, let's go. Try natin. So, yung timbang niya is 7.48 kilos pa lang siya. Ayan. So, 7.48 kilos pa lang siya. So, which is super, diba? Ang laki pa nating space for our check-in luggage. Yay! I can't wait. So, now for our hand carry naman tayo. So, yung hand carry natin is siguro hindi to lagpas 2 kilos for sure. So, tara, hand carry na tayo. We are done with our check-in luggage. So, now we will do our hand carry. So, eto, 7 kilos yung hand carry natin. Pero, since all of our clothes is nasa check-in luggage na, so, ilalagay ko na lang dito is this one, an extra bag. Kasi, we will be staying overnight to another city of that country. So, overnight tayo dyan. So, same din nung nag-Taiwan tayo, di ba, pumunta tayo ng Kaohsiung, which is other city siya ng Taiwan. So, yun, nag-overnight tayo dun. So, yun, ito lang yung dinala namin instead of the luggage. So, since overnight lang naman. So, yan din yung gagawin namin dun sa country na pupuntahan namin this time. So, eto lang dadalhin namin kasi we will be staying there for overnight lang din sa isang city na yon. So, first time talaga as in like, very, very exciting. So I'm looking forward also for that city because it's very, very known as well. So ayan, ito yung dadalhin namin doon sa overnight ng city na yon. And then, so ito yung ilagay natin sa ating hand carry baggage. And then, of course, our tripod. So ilagay din natin yan sa ating hand carry luggage. Also, of course, our power bank, yan. So, by the way guys, meron na pala akong outfit, airport outfit, papunta dun sa country na pupuntahan natin. So, meron akong outfit. So, diba? I'm so ready na. Outfit is life. OOTD is life. Then, siguro, idagdag ko lang to. Ilagay ko rin to sa aking hand carry luggage para in case na ginawin tayo, meron tayong jacket. Kasi guys, red eye flight tayo sa next week. Darating tayo sa bansang yun mga around 12 midnight or 1 a.m. So, ganun. So, medyo for sure malamig ng konti. Kasi, you know, hating gabi, medyo ano na, red eye flight kasi tayo. So, para iwas tayo sa panuhot ba. Yan yung gagawin natin. Lagay natin yung jacket para in case we need it anytime, so pwede natin kunin. So, eto na guys, ilagay na natin ang ating bag, extra bag. So, ayan. As in, eto lang talaga. Ayan, so ganyan yung forma niya. And then, the jacket, in case na need natin sa airport. Kasi, for sure, malamig dyan. And then, here, our tripod. Diba guys? Sobrang laki niya, as in. Ayan. And of course, our makeup kit. So, dito lang din natin siya ilagay. Ayan. So, basically, yan lang yung ating hand carry luggage. So, dito, wala tayong nilagay dito. Para marami tayong room or space for our mga pasabays and pasalubong. Yan. Diba guys? Sobrang ano lang talaga. Minimal lang yung dinala ko. As in. Ayan. And then, yung power bank natin pala is dito din natin siya ilagay. Pero for now, hindi ko pa muna siya ilalagay dito kasi gagamitin pa natin siya one of these days. Ayan. So, ayan. So, basically, ito lang talaga. And then, we're good to go na. So, ayan. Close natin. Then, we're good. Ayan. We're good. By the way, guys, nakabili pa lang ako ng wheel cover. Para sa, ito talaga yung forma ng or kulay ng aking wheels for luggage. Pero, nakabili ako ng cover niya kasi for extra protection lang din. So, binagay ko na lang sa aking luggage. So, kulay pink siya. So, medyo pala siya, light pink. Pero, naman, in personal, maganda naman siya tingnan. So, para din mabilis kong makita na akin talaga tong luggage na to. Same goes with this one. Tingnan nyo. Bumili din ako ng cover for my check-in luggage. Cover sa wheels. Yan. Diba? Binagay ko lang din siya. So, since meron naman siyang gray, may pagka-grayish naman yung zipper na to, and then yung handle, may pagka-gray, so, minatch ko na lang yung cover na binili ko. So, gray lang din. Diba? Okay siya tingnan for extra protection. By the way, sa Shopee ko lang siyang nabili lahat. So, I will be putting all the links in the description box below. Guys, do you have any idea na kung saan tayo pupunta? Comment down below for a chance to win 500 Gcash. So, I guess I'm good na for all the things that I need for this travel. Let's try pala to timbang to weight our hand carry. Tingnan natin. Oops. Ayan. So, less than 1 kilo lang yung ating hand carry, guys. Oh my God. Ayan 0.80 kilos lang yung ating hand carry. Pero sige lang. This is good na rin para meron tayong room for pasabays, room for pasalubong, ganun. As in, more on food trip din yung pupunta natin doon. So yeah, I guess that's it guys. Thank you for joining me as I pack my things for another international travel. So, after this one is yung journey natin papunta sa ating country na pupuntahan. So, If you guys know already or medyo may hint na kayo based sa clothes na dinala ko or any idea kung saan kami pupunta, so just leave a comment down below and don't forget to include or don't forget to put your Instagram username sa comment down below and your answer. So, yeah, that's it guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!